Am I the only one that didn't know why our stomachs growl? Turns out, it's not just hunger. When you're hungry, your brain sends a signal to your stomach via the enteric nervous system to prepare for food. This triggers peristalsis, where your stomach muscles contract and release, mixing digestive juices. The result? Those characteristic growls and gurgles. But here's the kicker. Your stomach does this even when it's empty, to keep the digestive tract moving and clean through a process called the migrating motor complex. So next time your belly rumbles, remember, it's just your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm ready for the next meal."